TikTok videos are all about speed, creativity, and attention-grabbing visuals. And with AI tools like InVideo, you can now create scroll-stopping TikTok content without filming or editing anything yourself. InVideo's TikTok templates are designed to match trending styles, and you can use them to generate videos in minutes just by adding your text. Whether you're making tips, quotes, stories, or niche content, you don't even need to show your face. The AI will pick relevant visuals, apply transitions, animate your text, and even add voiceovers automatically. You can even choose the tone and accent of the voice depending on your audience. It's perfect for automation pages, brand storytelling, affiliate marketing, or growing personal accounts. You can make multiple videos a day and publish consistently without burning out. And because everything is formatted for TikTok dimensions, you don't need to worry about resizing or layout. It's all built in. What's more, InVideo gives you full creative control with a beginner-friendly interface, so you can adjust the visuals and timing if you want. But even if you don't, the AI will handle it for you. Click the link in the description and join InVideo for free to start creating eye-catching TikTok videos today. In 2025, the fastest way to grow on TikTok is to let AI do the heavy lifting, and InVideo is the ultimate shortcut.